Alright, so we're having breakfast. And
Palagay lang
Berna's
yung
gonna
sugar.
order me
Kasi,
hot chocolate.
Ilagay mo lang yung sugar dito, ha?
That's
Tapos,
that's the start. Hot chocolate. While
longganisa.
we're enjoying the private cabana. So ano ating breakfast for today? Berna, what did you order for me?
Longganisa.
Longganisa.
Longganisa, tsaka
What about you, Laurelie? What's your
scrambled
breakfast?
egg na
You will
na
check?
malasado.
What about
Yung
you,
basak talaga.
Danny?
Oo.
Longganisa also for
Dalawang
breakfast?
Ganun. Ako ganun na rin.
Okay.
Ha?
What about you,
Garlic rice.
David? What's your breakfast? Longganisa ka rin. Grabe,
Garlic
pareho pala tayo.
Oo. Tapos
Oh,
hot
with
chocolate din ako.
Oh, hot. Kuha mo na, ha?
Pareho rin. Tapos
Ha?
calamansi juice din.
Oh,
So, dalawang set ng ganun.
Yan ang maganda rito. Meron ng cold drinks, meron pang hot
Sabi yung
drinks.
longganisa, yung egg pwede
Oh.
Ano yun? Yung fried tapos matigas yung gitna.
Matigas yung gitna.
So, gusto
Ba?
niya,
Meron pala egg na ganon?
well done.
Well done.
Well done.
What about you?
Palagyan
Yaya? Yaya? Yaya taba?
Lagay na lang dito. O, ikaw na lang mag-
Yaya taba? Di mo ako nadidinig eh.
Tapos dalawang longganisa na scramble.
Yaya taba? Anong order mo?
Lagyan lang din ng... Tapos
Ano?
sorry.
Ha? Ha?
Longganisa tapos scrambled egg.
Longganisa ka rin? Eh, yung alaga mo, anong order?
Tapos palagyan na lang din ng asin.
What's your order? What about you, Dylan? Ayan.
Ano na lang, matamis ba yung mangga?
Ano raw order ni Dylan, Yaya taba?
Sige, mango pancake sa
Oh,
kanya.
kung mo si Dylan, oh.
Longganisa kami tatlo.
Paka-cute na bata talaga, oh. Kahit bagong gising, cute na cute, oh. Yeah.
Lord,
It's always, tumingin na sa menu. O, order na, oh, loco. Oh, what will you order? Dylan. Oh, kalamansi.
Kalamansi na lang.
Oh, lahat kalamansi.
Fresh eh.
Pwede mo gawin yung may, yung shaved ice. Sa kalamansi.
Ganda ng
Shake yun.
Sikihor talaga, ha?
Hindi pwede.
Dapat yung mga Pinoy na hindi pa nagpupunta ng Sikihor
Sa akin na din.
should explore Sikihor. 8 hectares
Gusto mo?
Oo.
na puros
Hot chocolate,
maganda.
coffee or tea.
Ayan, ganyang kaganda.
Kalamansi lang.
Ay, meron talaga.
Longest white sand.
Order mo na yung hot chocolate
At yung harapan.
namin.
Pagising mo,
Tama eh.
snorkeling area. That's what you call the Tubod Marine Sanctuary. At yan, nakapaligid yung mga yung mga coconuts. Ayan, maaga pa lang, di-snorkeling na. Ayan, kitang-kita mo naman yung dagat, panay corals, oh. Kasi kung hindi corals yan, ano yan, kulay puti. Here, all corals, kaya maraming isda. Okay, Dylan, you want to start snorkeling na?
Bali, apat po na longganisa weights.
Oh, hindi pa sila tapos mag-order. Si Dylan na inip na.
Hot
Punta na sa
chocolate.
dagat.
Tapos dalawa.
Pwede kang mag-breakfast under the coconuts.
Ano yung ano nyo?
Ayan, naguluhan na sila.
Okay, then
Nagkalituhan na sa order.
with garlic
Dani,
rice
Lori,
and
pakinggan mo yung order.
Ayan, ganyan ang mga itsura ng mga villas by the beach. So that's the Salamanda. Diyan kami lagi kumakain para maiba naman ang ambience. Yan. Itong aming private cabana. Ayun, may mga smaller cabanas kung apat lang kayo. Okay. Ito pina-reserve ni Berna eh.
Hindi pala nag-dive
Tapos
ako sa
wall siya.
Dumaguete. Hindi na
Oo,
ako
hindi siya
nakadive
katulad
ulit.
ng
Oh,
Hindi ka sumama sa
hindi
amin.
siya katulad ng
oo nga. Mga my daughters who are divers.
Gaya niyan. Pag ganon.
Ang kulang lang si Claude.
Baba mo. Baba ganon. Kaya gusto ko siya kasi malalim.
Ang gaganda ng mga anak ko.
Abot siya hanggang cold.
Gaganda talaga nila. Si Laurelie. Very beautiful.
Feel ka rin.
Ito naman si Danny.
Actually sa diving,
Sobrang
gamit
cute.
kamay. Oo.
Yung isa ay si Pretty Girl. Wala si Pretty Girl, si Claude.
Ba't hindi ka mag-try mag-eat?
Perfect ambience. Any time of the day.
What time is your boat?
Kanya laging fully booked itong Sikihor eh.
Oh.
They have a total of 120 rooms.
kasi 4 o'clock
You have to book 1 year in advance just to get a room.
Tapos 4, 7.
Yan, zoom in natin kay kay Dylan. Ayun si Yaya with Dylan.
Kapit kayo sa pier.
Yan, yung bata, basta nasa beach.
4 hours.
Talagang enjoy na enjoy siya. Ayun, takbo na naman siya. Oh, mabuti hawak ni Yaya.
Kasi nga, di ba?
Dito sa beach, walang walang bawal kay Dylan. Lahat pwede niyang hawakan, no? Yes, yun nga lang. Nilagyan pa ng lotion, baka magitim yan, Yaya. ha?
Doon mga 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. Oh,
Ayan,
sorry,
nag-a-advise na si Berna.
pick up 500 lang.
Oh.
Pero siguro,
Yan, paano daw makamura?
tour, baka mga 1,500,
Oh.
2,000.
Pero what
Mm,
are we going to get? So,
yan, paplano na sila. Yan, safe na safe mag-snorkel dito. Basta huwag ka lang lalampas ng buya. Yes. Yan ang maganda oh. Kung gusto mo mas malalim, punta ka doon sa area na malapit sa buya. At kung sakaling matakot ka, yan, kapit ka lang sa buya. Ang haba kaya ng buya na yan, kanya safe na safe. Yan, back to Dylan, no? Next time babalik yan dito, scuba diver na yung batang yan. Yun, tsaka pwede ka rin mag-scuba dive with boat, oh. Ayan, may mga divers doon, oh. Katabi ng mga snorkelers, may boat. Ayan, oh, papansin mo, oh. Halos walang Pinoy dito, kami lang halos ang Pinoy dito. Panay foreigners. Oh. Super ambience talaga to. Kaya si Berna laging nagba-birthday dito. Last year dito nag-birthday. Tapos this year nag-birthday dito. Berna, next year ulit dito ka mag-birthday, di ba? Anong
Tatlong
Ha? Yan, nag-shades daw. Oh, enjoy na enjoy si Madam Berna dito eh. Super enjoy talaga siya. 3 years in a row dito magba-birthday si Madam Berna. Ayan, binabantayan ni David yung anak niya, oh. Oh, yeah. Ayan ang beach, oh. After the beach, oh, panay, corals na, oh. Yun nga lang, huwag ka magdadive sa mababaw. Baka masugatan ka. Medyo maglalalim ka ng konti.
Sino ba yan? Ito
Pag
yun?
naglalim ka ng
Pareho.
konti, hindi ka na masusugatan.
Pareho nung...
So if you're going to Siquijor, you can start in Cebu, Bohol, or Dumaguete. Yan. Tapos, ocean jet going to Siquijor. David, babalik ka ba rito sa Siquijor? Babalik ka?
kailangan.
Ba?
Para kasi Apo.
Babalik ka rito?
Sa Apo kasi hindi ko pa napuntan.
Ah, yung Apo Island. Gusto mong puntahan si Apo Island. Okay. At saka dito,
Kaya ayaw niya pa
mas gumagwapo ka, oh. Kasi lagi ka naka-shades eh. Bagay na bagay yung shades dito. Naku, may problema yata sa kalamansi, oh.
Kain ko hindi.
Oh, bumalik siya.
Yun sa'yo, ma'am. City Wonder. Yung isa lang ha.
Yan, oh. Enjoy na enjoy yung mga nagbe-breakfast, oh.
Pwedeng doon mga
So, sobrang laki nito. Ang dami mong kabanas na pwedeng pagpilian. Ang dami ring swimming pool. Ang swimming pool dito, I think 4. Ayan, pinag-uusapan niya mga tours.
How much is whole day?
How much is all day?
3.5.
Oh,
Whole day is 3,500.
Oh.
So, ask
Half
nga
day
po
is...
oh, yan.
Half day nga is the same rate as full day. Yun ang sabi nila.
Okay. Ayan si Dayo, lilinis na yung table, oh, para mag-enjoy kami kumain, oh.
Isip ko, hintay na lang like we'll go to a restaurant or something.
Ayan.
Yeah, you can go to
Yan,
Wendy's.
pwede ka mag-trike,
all your luggage.
pwede ka
But with all
mag-kotse,
your
walang
luggage,
grab.
ano problema?
I didn't think
Pero pwede ka rin mag-motorcycle.
lang nga para I can
Sila David, nag-motorcycle lang
know how to get there.
2 days ago, 400 pesos lang. Oh, nagka-rental pa.
2,500 yung binili kung
Oo.
No, hindi kayo...
Kaya kung gusto mo umikot sa island, you can actually visit the island in 2 hours and a half without stopping.
2,000 yung sa
2,000. Oh,
Kaya ang dami mong way na
mag-drive siya.
na ikutan ng island.
Nyo sa
Ayan, ganyan sa kababaw, oh.
May?
Tapos mag-drive
Naglalakad
ka.
lang, oh. Iniingatan niya yung mga
gusto,
corals.
tapos
Kaya
5
kailangan
o'clock,
medyo malalim ng
kukunin nila
konti
yung kotse sa
para
airport.
mag-enjoy ka mag-snorkel. Ayun na.
Ikot-ikot lang.
Binuhat na ni Yaya Taba. Ayun, oh. Oh. Oh.
2,000.
Ayan, oh.
Pin kayo sa...
Binuhat na ni Yaya Taba, oh.
Diba?
Yung kanyang alaga, oh. Ayaw pa yata umalis, oh. Oh, ayaw pa umalis sa tubig.
mga 1 o'clock siguro. 1:30
Okay, fruits muna for breakfast.
namin. So, kailangan.
Ayan, yung mga pigeons, pag hindi mo naubos ang pagkain, sila
Tingnan
uubos.
siguro 1 to 1:30.
Okay, goodbye for now. Next year, babalik uli si Madam Berna dito. Dito uli magba-birthday. Mama Berna. Mama Berna, happy birthday Happy birthday. Ayan, ginrit ko na ang daming beses. Goodbye. So this is the Siquijor Beach of Coco Grove. You have the beach on the left and the swimming pool on the right, which is covered by coconuts. So you have a choice to swim or to snorkel. There you go. Oh, dito pala si Berna. At saka si Dylan. Dylan! Oh, you're still enjoying the water this time. Water from the gripo. Ang ini-enjoy niya. Kanina, yung water from the dagat. You wanna go swimming, Dylan?
Close it. Close
You wanna go for a swim?
Close it.
Hindi yata marunong mag-close yung bata eh. Dylan, you wanna go swimming na? Oh, ala, hindi na niya.
Dumami na.
Ayan, hindi na niya ma-close oh.
Like that, like that.
Oh, dumating na yung mga parents.
Kita mo nag-swim.
Danny and David. Uy, nahulog. Okay lang yan. Sanay naman mahulog yan eh.
Kayo mo
Nag-enjoy siya dyan oh. Sige, iwan lang siya dyan oh. Di ba? Dylan, enjoy ka dyan, di ba? Basta may water, enjoy siya. Oh. Iba talagang bata, kailangan pabayaan lang eh. Oh, enjoy ta siya sa beach eh.
Enjoy na enjoy siya.
Enjoy na enjoy siya. Oh, tingnan natin yung mga nagsiswimming dito oh. May swimming pool dito. And meron pang 3 nakapaligid sa resort. Oh, lalagyan daw muna ng sunblock si Dylan. Talagang alagang-alaga. Alagang-alaga talaga tong batang to. Ano gusto mong mangyari, Berna? Anton, iniwan ko doon. Enjoy talaga si Dylan dito. Maglakad, tumakbo, walang bawal. Oh. Enjoy talaga sa beach boy talaga yung batang yan eh. Beach boy.
Kiddie pool ba dun sa taas?
Hindi, pero malawak yung mababaw na area. Kasi sa hagdanan
Niya kasi
where do you wanna
Oh,
go?
ayun na naman.
Beach?
Meron siyang gusto eh. Gusto niyang lumakad sa beach eh. Ayaw niya on top of the table. Oh, yung nagtuturo. Oh.
Sige. You wanna change? Hawakan mo muna ba? Ulit lang si David. Kasi
Can I come with you to go swimming? Ha?
tapos pagkatapos gusto
Dylan.
lakad sa beach.
Ayaw niya akong kausapin, oh.
Swim, ha?
Tingnan mo.
Yan, pabiyaan lang tumakbo.
Baka madapa sila na.
Hindi, di baling madapa.
Ayan, gusto niya yan.
Okay lang yan.
Yung tubig na
Mula sa gripo, tumakbo na sa swimming pool. Dadive na yan. Oh, dadive na yan.
malaki na siya makadrive.
Sandali, gusto mo ba samahan kita mag-swimming? Oh, samahan kita mag-swimming. Gusto mo? Sandali, sasamahan natin mag-swimming. Ayaw sumagot eh. Dylan, samahan ba kita mag-swimming? Okay, samahan ko muna yung si Dylan mag-swimming, Berna. Aba, talaga si David oh. Ayaw mangitim. Bakit bumabalik? Akala ko magsiswimming.
nasa kasama pa yun. Sana.
Oh, di ako na, sasamahan ko.
Ba't na ang damit?
Yan, sarap ng pagkain, ano?
Kakakain
Sarap
lang
talaga,
kasi
masarap
ngayon.
talaga pagkain dito sa Siquijor eh.
Kakain lang kasi nga.
Ano in order mo, David? Kilawin? Kilawin in order mo?
Hindi ta. Lempo.
Sarap, ano? Oo nga, masarap talaga. Lahat. Oo, yes. Okay na yan, Berna.
Okay.
Okay na. Oo.
Okay, sige.
Okay daw.
Okay na, mag-discover scuba uli si David. Okay, sama na kita.
Na shorty lang or full?
Full mo na siya.
Full? Full. Sige. Siguro large sa'yo, no? Large. Oo. Kasi ito shorty kasi palitan natin ito ng large.
Ano kaya magiging tingga niya?
Try ko siya mga 12.
12.
Tapos, adjustan na lang namin. in
Oh,
case
sige, okay.
kailangan
Oh,
natin.
kasi hindi ka lulubog pag wala kang tingga. Okay, very good. Pag naging diver na, meron ka ng body. Kung hindi, ang body mo si Dylan. Yan, sukat mo na.
Mas madali kapag sa
Ano yan? I think that's a 3mm wetsuit.
Kailangan to.
Kaya pag 3mm wetsuit, para bababa ka, kailangan mo ng tingga.
mahirap yun.
Hindi, magdi-drills pa sila sa mababaw eh. Pwede mo silang sabayan. They're still gonna do drills eh. Tama?
Pag nasa malalim na kami, pwede ka nang mag...
Yung drills mo pare, gaano kalalim?
Dito lang mga hanggang...
Oh, yun. Tama-tama. Pwede mo panoorin. Magdi-drills pa sila eh.
Suka natin yung turtle.
Oh, Danny,
Hindi ka shirt ba?
Wala akong shirt.
nakashirt ka pala eh, kaya hindi magkasya. Yan. Malapit na maging certified diver si David. So, we're inside the dive shop of Coco Grove. And Daniel's watching David do the Discover Scuba.
Kailangan mo kung
Yan ang kanyang PADI instructor. No?
sa shower ka na lang.
Pare pangalan ulit ng
Gabriel, sir.
Gabriel.
Gabriel.
Gabriel from PADI.
Okay. Then tapos niyan, maximum depth natin is around 36 feet. So doon na yung maraming corals, tapos hopefully we can find some turtles, okay? Then, for the exit naman, we exit somewhere there, tapos we let the boat will pick us up. So yun lang yung ano. Yung,
Oh, for video lang, ano yung mga tuturo mo sa kanya? Ano yung mga tuturo mo?
una is how to use
Pakinggan mo,
the
David.
inflator at deflator. So ito, so i-demonstrate ko naman to sa iyo later on. So pag nasuot mo na yung equipment, so how to use the inflator and deflator. Tapos, how to clear your regulator, paano siya i-clear in case ng tanggal, paano siya ibalik, or how to recover it pag halimbawa nasa likod mo, so paano mo siya i-recover. Then mass clearing, pag napapasukan ng tubig, so hindi ka na kailangan pumunta sa taas para i-clear yun. So pwede mo na siya gawin underwater. Then out of air, so in case one of us get out of air, so we know how to respond to an out of air situation. Then before we swim out, we practice how to use your breathing to control your buoyancy. That's what we call the neutral buoyancy, or we call it a fin pivot. Like inhale, pag nag-inhale ka, you rise up. When you exhale, you go down. So pag nag-swim na tayo mamaya, so mafe-feel mo na in case you starting going down, you have to inhale longer lang, then you will slowly go up.
Kasi yung exhale ko,
Dahan-dahan lang. So parang yung mangyayari sa lungs mo is when you inhale, your lungs become bigger. But don't exhale it directly kasi walang mangyayari din dun eh. So you have to exhale slowly para slowly gain smaller yung lungs mo. Then it takes time for you na.
so okay lang yun. Basta, di ba sinasabi, don't hold your breath. So yun yung not holding your breath.
So as soon as you exhale, as soon as your airway is open, that's the most important thing.
Airway
So
open.
kahit na konti lang yung ini-exhale mo, as long as nag-i-exhale ka, so okay lang yun. Okay, so huwag ka lang mag-hold your breath kasi yung problema dun is when you go up. So our lungs is not meant for overexpansion kasi kailangan natin siyang i-release yung air.
Pero pag naubos na yung air na nirelease mo,
Pag naubos na yung air na nire-release mo, inhale ka.
habang umakyat,
Oo.
i-deal ka ulit sa exhale ulit.
Oo, pwede.
Exhale.
Yung pag-akyat mo, breathe ka lang. Kahit nag-inhale ka, exhale, as soon as your airway is open, okay lang yan. Okay?
Don't hold, okay.
Don't hold your breath lang. Tapos equalize as you go down.
All right, so soon David will be a scuba diver. That's the reason why he's here in Siquijor to learn how to dive. Okay, right now he's being taught on how to put on his weight belt
On the left hand, yeah.
so to make sure that he goes down because his wetsuit is 3 millimeters. Kailangan lang yung kanyang weight belt. Balance siya. Yes. Pare, ilang pounds ang kinabit mo lahat? Total of
Ito is 12 pounds.
12 pounds. Okay, so 4 pounds each.
4 pounds.
Okay, isa sa gitna, dalawa sa gilid at isa sa gitna para balansyado. Yan ang kanilang anti-fog. para hindi masyadong nagpa-fog.
Tapos later
Kasi,
natin i-rinse pag natawag
Pag
na.
nag-fog, hindi wala siya makikita. Pero marunong na siya mag-mask clear. Kaya mag-i-enjoy na siya. Nagdi-defog lang. Malapit na siyang magsuot ng kanyang BCD with regulator. BCD is the buoyancy control device. Yes,
Meron tayong velcro
that's the
dito.
jacket.
On top of that, meron tayong clip.
If you want to learn scuba diving, you have to learn how to snorkel the right way. Ayan.
Tighten the strap. This is the
Chine-check lang na everything is streamlined. Wow, scuba diver na ang dating ni David now.
pins.
Marami kang makikitang koi sa baba.
Start lang muna ako.
Oo, marami kang makikitang koi.
Ready ka
Tulo
na?
na.
So again, good
Instructor.
afternoon. So once again, my name is Gabriel. So ako yung tuturo sa'yo paano gagawin yung Discover Scuba Diving. Okay, so before tayo mag-swim out, meron tayong mga skills na dapat natin gawin muna sa shallow part para in case mangyari sa'yo underwater, you know how to solve the problem. Okay, so first thing is, again, on your left side, you have the inflator and deflator button. So, yung red na button na yan, so yan yung tinatawag na inflator button. So when you press it, so mag-add siya ng air sa yung BCD, sa yung jacket. Sige. I-add more air. Okay lang siya pag masubrahan mo. Hindi naman siya mag-burst. So parang lalabas lang yung hangin. Sige. More. Sige pa, sige. All the way. All the way. Sige pa. So feel mo yan. So yung pag mag-over na siya, yung hangin lalabas na siya dito. So to release the air, meron tayong deflator button. So ito, gray button. So to use it, you have to put it all the way up. Kasi hangin wants to go up. Okay. Then press it. Kasi pag nagkaganyan lang siya, parang pag ganito lang yung mo, so may tendency na matatrap yung air dito. So you have to put it all the way up like that, then press it. Okay? So meron din tayong mga quick dump release dito, nasa right side mo. So pwede mo siyang hilain. Pag hila, sige, tayo mo ihila. So, lalabas din yung hangin dito. Kasi sometimes, pag wala yung hangin dito, na dito yung hangin. So you have to put yourself vertical, like heads up position. So in that case, yung hangin pupunta siya sa upper part na yung BCD. Okay? So remember, pag nasa ilalim naman tayo, if you want to add or subtract air, just a little bit lang wag naman too much. Like one quick press or two quick press. Because if you press it too much, then what will happen is you will go up to the top. So kailangan konti lang. Okay? Then you can also use this one. So, if there's pag wala siyang masyadong hangin, hindi siya lalabas. Kailangan mo siyang lagyan ng air. Okay? So that's how to use your inflator and deflator. Tapos niyan, we have to go down and then we practice how to breathe through your regulator. So ito yung regulator natin. So this is your main regulator. So to put it
Andyan,
on,
yung
you have
kanyang
to
shades
feel
nandoon
your mouthpiece like
Andun
this.
yung shades niya, ha? You understand?
Okay.
Yung shades
So
niya.
remember,
Andun.
yung nose natin is sealed, so we have to breathe through your mouth. Okay? So when you breathe slowly and deeply. So wag yung rapid. So take your time.
Ano mangyayari pag yung natin?
Mapapagod ka, parang magkakaroon siya ng yung carbon dioxide sa in between kasi walang time yung oxygen goes inside your lungs tapos
Yes, okay.
so it
Hindi
just
pala nangyari sa akin last time siguro.
so, parang you will struggle to catch the breath if you breathe too much. So ganyan pag mag-inhale ka, inhale. Then exhale. Yun. So wag yung ganito. Ganyan. Okay? Kalma lang para hindi madaling maubos yung air natin. Okay? Then underwater we can remove our regulator, no worry. But we have to remember when we put back, may tubig na papasok. So we have to clear it first before tayo mag-inhale. So paano ba ito gawin? So this is what we call the regulator clearing. So when your regulator is on your mouth, you have to inhale first para may hangin ka, enough hangin to blow it later on. So you have to inhale first. Remove your regulator out, mouthpiece down. So ano yung sabi ng video yung most important tool in scuba diving?
Ano?
What's the important rule in scuba diving? Yung
Don't
sabihin.
stop breathing.
Okay, so never hold your breath. So once the regulator is out of your mouth, you have to blow small bubbles. So to simulate na hindi ka nag-hold ng breath. Okay? Tapos you have to put the mouthpiece down because yung regulator is very sensitive kasi ito pag naka-up, magpupush yung diaphragm dito, mag-free flow siya. So if that happens, you have to put the mouthpiece down like this. Okay. Tapos blow small, a little bit, then slowly put back. Remember, may water inside. So you have to exhale first to clear the water from your regulator. Huwag mo siyang inhale agad kasi
Sinauli ko lang.
maano mo yung water. When you put back,
Kunin mo lang
you can
ulit.
either blow like this or you can use this purge button. In that way you don't have to blow through it, but you have to block the mouthpiece or the regulator with your tongue. So paano ba yan? So see, you put your tongue behind your teeth like this. Diyan, tapos press it. Yeah, you put it on. Then like this. Tapos lagay mo yung tongue behind your teeth. Then press. So in that way you don't have to exhale na. Kasi pag hindi mo siya binablock sa mouthpiece, papasok yung tubig sa mouth. Di ba? So you have to avoid it by blocking the tongue behind your teeth. Then press the purge button. In that way, you don't have to exhale when you want to clear
Kung
the
sakali may pumasok pa dyan, gagawin.
just blow it lang. So again, dalawang way yun ha. Yung una, put it back, blow, or put it back, purge. Okay? So pili ka lang saan ka mas komportable dun sa dalawa.
So, dapat sealed lang pag
Pag ginagamit mo yung using the purge button, dapat sealed yung mouth mo, hindi papasok yung tubig pag ginawa mo yan. Kasi pinupush niya yung tubig papunta sa loob eh. So you have to block it para dito siya dadaan sa exhaust valve. Meron tayong exhaust valve dito. Okay? So that's regulator clearing. So regulator recovery, so in case natanggal yung regulator mo papunta sa likod, so you don't have to get panic, you don't have to go up. What you have to do is you just have to lean to your right. Kasi what will happen if you're leaning to your right, mag-open yung hose natin, yung regulator. Tapos use your right arm, make a circle, ganito. And once you have it on your right shoulder, get it, and then clear it same as what you do during your regulator clearing. So you can either blow through it or use the purge button. Okay? So try it. Inhale. Remove the regulator out of your mouth. Throw it back. Blow small bubbles. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Lean to your right. So right side. So, parang nakastuck yung pero maya, you have to lean it. And then use your right arm. Make a circle. And then recover it. And put it back. Either blow or purge. Okay. So that's for regulator recovery. So next is mass clearing. So ito yung mass natin. Yan. So yan yung mass mo. And then, I think, you can have the mass.
Kayang-kaya mo yan, David. Kayang-kaya. After that, ano ka na? Magdadive na tayo ng totohanan na. Okay. The wife is going to watch. Mag-i-snorkel lang yung asawa niya.
So in case magpapasok yung tubig sa mask natin, we don't have to go up to clear it. So we have to do it underwater na lang. So I think may soap pa tong mask mo, i-clear muna natin. Alright, ito. So can you put your mask? Okay. Yan. Can you put it on dito? Okay, so make sure wala siyang hair. No hair goes inside kasi papasok din yung tubig niyan. Okay. So, how to put water? Halimbawa, paano lalagyan ng tubig yung mask natin? What you can do is using your you have to put it like this. Make a small opening. Yan. Tapos papasok na yung tubig. So, as soon as it's below eye level, then you can release. Okay, so in that way, kontrolado mo how much water you have to put inside. So there's a lot of way how to do that. So this is how I do mine. So just push like this, and then water papasok siya. So once it's below eye level, you have to release. Okay? And then, to have some air, para may air ka na ibuga sa nose mo mamaya, you have to inhale from your regulator first. Like this. And push the upper part of your mask. Okay? Bakit i-push? Para may pressure sa top, loose pressure sa baba. Then blow through your nose whilst looking up. Ganito. Okay. Sige. Inhale. Okay. So remember, blow first before ka mag-look up para hindi mo ma-clear yung water by sniffing it from your nose. So you have to, you have to blow first and then slowly look up until it's, Yan. So you have to blow it first. Kasi ang mangyayari, pag you look up, hindi ka pa nag-blow, papasok yung tubig sa ilong.
Okay.
So you have to blow it first before you look up. Okay? Until it's totally clear. Alright? So that's for mask clearing. Again, try to do it with your regulator. Inhale, and then push the upper part of your mask, blow through your nose, and then look up. Good. That's it. Okay, one more. Okay, that's it. So, pwede natin tanggalin to for the next skill. Okay.
Pero blow din ako dun.
You have to keep in mind na you have to blow harder through your nose kasi pag hindi mo siya na blow harder, hindi lalabas yung tubig totally.
So, nakadikit talaga eh.
Oo. Then try to blow. Okay, para mag yan. Yes, yan. Okay? Okay, so next skill is how to respond to an out of air situation. So, pwede mo na tanggalin yung mask kasi nandito lang naman tayo. We have to put some defog it again later. Okay, so in case one of us is getting out of air, so we have to go to your body and signal to your body that you're out of air. So paano ba? So first, I will have to assign who will be the out of air. For example, ikaw yung out of air, so I will signal you will be the out of air. So me will be the donor. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to get my attention. So, parang ganyan, para you get my attention. So, once I look at you, you have to signal me out of air, share air. So, don't forget to signal that. Kasi, pag hinahatak mo lang diretso yung regulator, so parang, ano gagawin mo sa akin? You have to signal me first. Okay, that you're out of air, then you need air from me. Okay, so again, paano ba yun? Out of air, share air. Okay. Then I will give this alternate air source to you. So you can see it's yellow and longer. So this is intended for your body if your body is out of air. Okay? So you have to switch from your regulator, switch mo to. Okay? And then you have to clear.
Here again.
Yeah, clear before you inhale. Okay? So since hindi masyadong mahaba yung hose, so what we do is using our right hand, we hold like this. What the hose is. Nandyan sa iyo. Para hindi matatanggal to. Okay, so make an eye contact and signal okay that both of us agree to go up. Okay. Then after that, with your left arm, you have to hold your inflator deflator mechanism while holding together, rise it up and ready to deflate. Ganyan. So no need for you to inflate once you go up. Bakit? Because if you have to add air, while going up, the air will expand. What will happen? You go up too fast, which is not good in scuba diving.
Okay.
So that's why you need to put it up and ready to release the air in case we go up faster. What you have to do is use your fins to swim up.
Matagal pa, no?
okay.
Pa ng,
Okay, then after that, so after dito ma'am, one skills na lang after nito. Okay. Then, ganun. Then, we kick up, okay?
Okay.
Then after that, we switch, okay? The next is, before we swim out, we will do the neutral buoyancy. Okay, so for the neutral buoyancy, so ito yung sign for the neutral buoyancy. So what you have to do is you have to release all the air from your BCD. You have to lean forward. So yung fins mo nasa bottom, then try to inhale. So if you don't go up as soon as you inhale, you add a little bit of air from your BCD. 1 or 2 quick press. Try to inhale again. So pag nag-inhale ka, you're slightly going up, then you have to exhale, then you go up, you go down. Inhale, go up, exhale, you go down. So that means you're using your breath to control your buoyancy. Okay? And then after that, you have to swim out. So again, we have to refresh for the signal. This is okay. Problem, like problems with your ears. Okay? This is go up, go down, which direction. So if I sign like this, I want to know how much air left in your tank. So if you have 150, so since we're using bars here, so for the full tank, it's 200 bars. For 150, you have to signal me like this. 100 or half tank. Again, this is 100. Yeah, and then 5 for 50. Okay, so for 130, 100 or half tank, plus 3 for 130. Okay, for 100 bars, this is half tank. For 90, 80, 70, 60, this is 50 bars or low on air. Out of air, not gonna happen. Always check for our gauge. So ito yung 50 bars. So meron siyang red indicator. So that means ang air natin is already low. So it's already time for us to end the dive. Okay? Alright, so that's the signal. This is attention. Watch me, especially when I do the skills. This is stop. Okay, stop. Slow down. Take it easy. Or if I see some danger underwater, so this is my sign for danger. Okay. Alright. So after that, we have to swim out na. So when you swim out, I will let stay beside you. Use your fins. Do the flutter kick. So how to do it? You have to point your toes and put your legs like this. So not like this. So parang ganyan yung kick natin. Okay? So when it's deep enough for us to go down, release the air. Remember to equalize. Okay? How to equalize? Every meter or every few feet or 1 meter, you need to equalize. If you have some problem, you have to sign me like this. Problem, point it in your ears. Okay? So we will start first like mga few feet muna, and then let's see if everything's okay. We will go like 15 feet until we go 30 feet, and then maximum is 36 feet. Okay? So what we expect to see, we have a very nice coral reef here. Meron din tayong mga schools fish na makita. Tapos, hopefully we can spot some turtles. Okay? So when one of us reach half tank or 100 bars, that's the time that we go shallower. And then at 70 bars, that's the time that we'll stay at 5 meters, 3 minute stop. So we have a safety stop, we called it. Every time we have to stop at 15 feet for at least 3 minutes. So you will learn that if you will do your open water course. Yeah? And then after the safety stop, then exit. Then the boat will pick us up. Okay, so for the exit, you have to give your belt first. Okay, yung weight belt, Monex, your BCD, I will help you with that. And then last spins. There's a ladder on the side of the boat that you can climb up. And then the boat will come back here. And then bring our stuff here. Okay, so I think I can still remember some of the things I already explained. But anyway, during the skills, I will demonstrate it first. So watch me. So in case there's a skills that you miss or hindi mo naintindihan, sign me like this lang. Problem, repeat. Or go over again. Then I will repeat the skills. Okay?
Okay.
Is there any questions? Okay, let's go.
This is the pretty wife of David, oh. How pretty naman. How pretty naman, oh. Malapit na maging diver si David. Okay. Divers ready. With Laurelie. That's not Laurelie. That's Danielle. As bodyguard. Oh, diver ng lakad ni Mr. David Nang. Hopefully, he gets to learn para mag-enjoy na siya ng underwater world. Si Danny will follow. Ganda talaga dito sa Siquijor, no? There's Danny who will be snorkeling while David will be doing the skills before they go to 36 feet or 12 meters. So that's the boat just right beside them. And that's Gabriel making sure that he was able to explain the proper skills in case of emergency. He would know what to do, like mass clearing, regulator recovery, buoyancy control, how to inflate and deflate, how to wear the BCD, how to also wear the fins, and the weights. Yes, right now he's got 12 pounds. So he has to be streamlined. This is the beautiful beach of Siquijor with so many coconuts and so many guests enjoying the white sand. So they're already in the water with some snorkelers on the background. Good luck, David. See you after 1 hour. Goodbye. Hope you learn fast.